I'm going to show you how to add logos to Premiere Pro videos. Okay, so when you come to do your coursework, you can add a BBC, ITV or any TV channel sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to import a PNG file. Okay, the reason it needs to be PNG is means it will be placed over the top of the image without any borders, and it will be see-through and clear, so you can actually see just solely the image. So I've just imported the logo that we need. As you can see, there is a black box around the sign, but don't worry about that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to place that on top of the video. What I'm doing here is I'm changing the speed of the clip, because I'm just changing it so it will be exactly the same length as the video, because sometimes it does it shorter. And as you can see, the logo is now placed on top of the clip. So to shrink it down or move it or any way you want to, you double click on the actual video, and then it will give you a chance to transform the image. So what we're going to do is we're going to shrink it, and we're just going to place it in the bottom corner like so, and then press play, and your clip will be shown for the duration, or your logo will be shown for the duration of the clip. You can do the same for any TV show that you want to do, or if you're making a pop video, or